In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft error code 657RX. Now, you'll usually see this error when trying to open Microsoft Outlook or another Microsoft Office app. So, let's fix it step by step. First, open the Start menu on your computer. Now, search for Settings and click on it. From the left-hand side, select Accounts. Then scroll down and click on Access Work or School. Here, if you see any work or school account connected, you'll need to disconnect it. Simply click on the account and press Disconnect. Once everything is disconnected, restart your computer. After restarting, go back to the same section and click on Connect. Now, follow the steps and sign back in with your Microsoft account. Once done, try opening Outlook or any Office app again, and the error should now be fixed. And that's it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.